Veggie Island, delicious plant-based dining in Taiwan. Some vegetarian friends recommended 15 vegetarian restaurant, which is popular in Hsinchu. To support sustainability, the owner promotes organic and small-scale farming and educates farmers. This not only influences local consumers in the Hsinchu Science Park area, but also aims to change the public's perception of a vegetarian diet. The restaurant incorporates seasonal ingredients into its dishes and values whole foods, low waste, and tailor-made plant-based meals.
This is the very professional soy milk machine that I just mentioned, okay? Super machine.
Right.
We call it soy presser.
According to Peter, 15 is the only restaurant in Taiwan to import this soy milk super machine from Japan to make high-quality soy milk, which costs over $300,000 US. The whole process of bean soaking, steaming, and high-pressure extraction is controlled by a professional soy milk maker to guarantee the high quality of their soy milk, which is made without any artificial additives. Each 100 milliliters of 15's not just soy milk contains 6.4 to 6.7 grams of protein, which is 4 times more than the average soy milk on the market, giving it a rich and silky texture. Soybeans are rich in 9 essential amino acids and are high in fiber, which helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. They are not only a good source of protein for vegetarians, but also help with muscle growth, making them a beneficial ingredient for athletes and pregnant women. Soy products are popular at 15. In addition to their fresh soy milk, tofu and other soybean products are also available. For example, soy ice cream is very popular with children, as are a variety of soy smoothies.
Wow, so vibrant.
Yeah. Actually, we have a lot of different flavors, and right now it's only 6 flavors that's top selling, so I recommend it to you. The first one is original. This one is kale. It's the almond, and this is sesame. And this one is, we have strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry, the mixed berries. As this one is, we use the passion fruits from Puli, soy milk, yogurt. Please try it.
Oh, try with me, please. There's two.
Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Very creamy, huh? The best soy milk in the world.
I'm gonna try the yogurt. It's so fresh, and it's not too sweet, which sometimes I find yogurt can be too sweet. It actually tastes really healthy. And then the sourness from the berries, I love.
It is totally plant-based yogurt, so you don't have to worry about the milk products.
Right.
Yeah.
I could see myself drinking this every day, like in the morning.
As the first vegetarian restaurant in Taiwan to incorporate a soy milk factory, how does 15 perfectly integrate soybeans and soy milk into Western cuisine to bring guests a whole food, low waste, and customizable dining experience? Let's find out with Chef Wendy. Wendy studied design and film in college, which was an inspiring path that helped develop her aesthetics and visual storytelling abilities. In 2016, Wendy received her plant-based cooking certification from Ruby Culinary School. After that, she earned a degree from New York's Natural Gourmet Institute, followed by a scholarship to the MAD Academy's Environmental Sustainability Program in Denmark. The first dish she prepared for me is the harissa tofu bowl, which has a Northern African touch to it.
Hi, here we have a harissa tofu bowl. It's a very appetizing dish, and you can also have it like a share with other friends or just have it as a main course. Yeah. So first you can see the tofu is underneath. That's our house-made tofu. So I personally would recommend you try the tofu first. It's very pure, simple. Actually, I didn't do much to the tofu. And then underneath, in order to make some contrast, because the tofu is so simple, so pure, so the harissa hot sauce is very complex sauce.
This is really exciting. Okay, here we go. That's the stuff. The tofu is a really good protein, being that it's very tender. You know, all the other spices can't go wrong with sourdough. So good.
Wendy's rich travel experiences have inspired her cooking, and these two dishes strongly reflect her memories abroad.
Here we have the first dish. It's the Mediterranean maize platter. It's our signature dish. It's a very appetizing dish. Yeah, usually people will order some drinks or wine to go with it because it perfectly goes well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so here we have some toasted pita bread, and this one is a very special dip. It's like a very labor-intensive dish. We use a lot of. It's called muhammara. Muhammara. It's like a Middle Eastern spray. A lot of people will say it's like hummus, but it's totally different ingredients in there.
Oh, okay.
We use a lot roasted tomato and bell pepper and walnut to create the richness, and also a little bit house-made breadcrumb. And then this is called cashew gremolata. It's also very like a snake. Gremolata is an Italian term, means a lot of parsley and lemon, sometimes garlic. But this dish is gluten-free, so we leave out the garlic. We use a lot of kind of other spices to make it. And this dish is another signature. A lot of dishes here that's very popular. And it's called pineapple and tofu skewer with some sauté sauce, also house-made sauté sauce. I would say it's a very tofu-forward dish, since we are specialized in soy meal making, and also the tofu product is also house-made. So here you will find we try to use as much as we can, but in a different approach or different twist in there. And this is like pan-seared tofu, covered with our house-made spice mix, and then just combine with a lot of different vegetables in there.
Thank you so much. It looks
Enjoy.
so beautiful. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I love me some pita bread. Wow, look at that. Ooh, and it's spread so easily. We have some of the cashew with an olive. You get the saltiness from the olive, and then you get that texture from the caramelized cashews. And with the sesame seeds, ooh, I love the texture. And it makes it so crunchy, which is fun to chew on. It's like eating nut butter. Like finger food. You could actually probably eat this at home while you're watching TV. Oh wow, so good on its own too. The next dish. Here we go. Oh, the tofu is so juicy. Wow, it's a lovely little hit of that spice. Every time you take a bite, the juice just oozes out a little bit more. And it's kind of like a spongy texture to it. Remember, the outer layer is very crispy. You know, it's fried on the outside. Yummy.
When it comes to Wendy's favorite dish, the answer is undoubtedly the French braised vegetables. For the white sauce base, they first mash potatoes and cashews. Then they add root vegetables and organic mushrooms and braise it for several hours. After that, they pan fry locally grown fennel, then simmer it with white wine. Once they're brimming with flavor and aroma, the French braised vegetables are ready to serve.
And first, I have some table service. The thing that we use from the soy meal making process, the soy pulp. Because this is a low-waste kitchen, so we try to use everything here. Yeah, don't waste anything. So we make into like a Parmesan. And also we have some secret ingredient. Celery, the leaves is usually like people will put it away because it's very bitter. And you can use it in like...
Did you say celery?
Celery.
Yeah, I thought I tasted a little bit of celery, but it was
Yeah.
such a refreshing taste to it.
We just like dehydrate it into a powder and add it to our dish. So it's like our special spice. It's a dish that you could find a lot of texture, but still having, having fun, enjoy that dish.
And I love the concept because it looks like a chowder, so it looks heavy, but actually when you eat it, it's very light. Where you feel like after you finish this bowl, you can still eat a few other dishes.
Have a good energy in there.
Yeah, it's
and also a lot of nutritious.
The meaning of the restaurant's Mandarin name, 食无, is to sort out your innermost being. Wendy continues to develop her recipes and push the boundaries of her imagination to create a perfect balance of whole foods and authentic flavors. With a refreshing appearance on the outside and healthy, rich flavors on the inside, the cuisine at 15 comforts diners' bodies and souls and gives them an impeccable dining experience. Don't miss this modern plant-based restaurant next time you're in Zhubei City.